Welcome to Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care, Kolkata. Today we are discussing about all ceramic crown and bridges for management of missing teeth. Ours is one of the most awarded cosmetic dental clinics in Kolkata. Patient reported to us with missing teeth due to an accident and was unhappy with his smile. He lost his front teeth due to a bike accident. As you can see here, one of his teeth is missing. He was shy. He was very conscious of his problem and wanted a very quick solution. When patients come to us with all these kinds of problems, we suggest them two options. Usually, the first option is dental implant, but it is a surgical option in which we place a dental implant in the area where the teeth is missing and then put a cap over the top of the teeth. However, this is a surgical process and sometimes patients don't prefer it. Then we give them the second option, which is called as a dental bridge, which is a non-surgical option in which we take support from the teeth on either side and then make a bridge over the top of it. When given two options, patient chose a dental bridge. He didn't want a surgical option, which was a dental implant. So how did we make the dental bridge? Designing of a fixed partial denture or a dental bridge is done in our clinic with a computerized designing and color analysis, which is also called as the digital smile designing or the DSD. Once we make a computer analysis and make the designing in the computer, we then involve the patient in the whole process as to how his smile needs to be at the end of the treatment. So once the analysis is done and the cutting of the abutment tooth or crowns are done, we take a 3D print of the model and then construct a all ceramic bridge. Now first we get the shape approval done from the patient. And once the shape approval is done, we go ahead and do the color approval. Once the color approval has been finalized by the patient, then we construct the dental bridge. So the patient is involved in every phase of the treatment so that there is no confusion about the final result. So once the consent is given and the final results have come, we face the bridge into the mouth. And this is the magic of the treatment that we get. This is before treatment and this is after treatment, where no one can understand where the crowns are. It's absolutely precise. The colors are matching and therefore the patient has no problem at the end of the day in smiling or in social occasions. His success story could be yours too if you have similar problems. So this is how he was at the start and this is how he smiles at the end. We can see a facial transformation after just 2 hours of work. If we see from the right hand side, we can see one of his teeth is missing. And then this was before treatment. And then after treatment, we can see that he has a fabulous smile. He's much more confident about his looks. So the smile improvement also took just 2 hours time. When we look from the left, we see that there is a huge front gap in his teeth due to a missing teeth. That was before treatment. And at the end of the treatment, we got a fabulous result in which he is gleefully smiling. A very confident smile at the end of the day, which makes you understand the patient is really, really happy. If you want similar forms of treatment, which involves cosmetic smile designing and dental implants, you can meet our chief doctor, Dr. Abhishek GHOSH, and his team of implantologists and smile designing experts at our clinic in South Kolkata, Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care. We have been awarded one of the best dental clinics in Kolkata and is also the most internationally awarded clinic. It's also the only dental clinic in Kolkata to be awarded and certified by the Royal College of Surgeons UK, London, Royal College of Surgeons Ireland, Royal College of Surgeons and Physicians Glasgow, and the Royal College of Surgeons Edinburgh. For the services that we have rendered over the years, we have been adjudged one of the best dental clinics in Kolkata in 2020. If you want similar treatment from us or any other form of dental treatment, you can visit our website www.greatlakesdentalclinics.com or contact us at 833-709-8496 or 833-5979-173. Thank you for looking into this video. Keep subscribing us in YouTube to know about other forms of dental treatment and cosmetic smile design.